Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Node.js Express project which will allow us to upload files directly to server using an HTML form uh, using a library called as express-file-upload. Express-file-upload is a simple middleware library specifically designed for Express web applications if you want to upload directly inside upload files to the server. So right here I will show you a very simple example where we have created this uploads folder where all the uploaded files will get uploaded right in this folder. And we have this index.html file. So I'm just running this application on localhost 3000. This is actually a web application. If I open this, you will see this application looks like this. And you can see it is running on localhost 3000. And we also have the choose file button, and then we have the upload button. So as soon as I click the choose file button, you will actually see you will be redirected to actually select a particular file. So if I simply select choose file, and here you can go to your directory and just choose a image file. So we have selected a JPG file. So as soon as I click the upload button, you will see it is saying that G is not defined. Sorry, let me just rectify this mistakes. Just fix this. Again, execute this application. So just select your file. After selecting the file, simply click upload, and you will now get a notification that your file is uploaded successfully. And now if you see, your file is received in this folder, in this uploads folder. So you can see this is a very simple setup for file uploads in Node.js Express. If I select a different file, again click the upload button, again the file is uploaded, and you will get this image file right in the directory. So let me show you the library. So you need this package, first of all, Express package for building the web server. Simply execute this command. And secondly, you also need this package, which is express file upload. This is designed specifically for Express applications. Actually is a middleware for uploading files, Express middleware for uploading files. So the command is simple. You just execute this command to install this module. It's almost got 384,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, it's very simple. So what I will do, I will simply delete everything. So just create a simple Node.js Express project, install these two packages, and then you just need to create a directory where all your files will be stored. So we created this uploads directory, and after that, let me just delete everything and start from scratch. So the very first thing you need to do, you need to require all the necessary packages. So what I will do, I will require the Express package. We also need to require the file upload package. So we just need to require it. So express file upload, and then we also need the path module, which is a built-in module of Node.js, and then we'll construct a simple express application which will run on 5000 port number, and inside the callback function this app will be listening on port 5000. So now in this simple web application, we will simply make a GET request. So when someone goes to the home route, we will load this HTML file. So we will simply say use the send file function, and we will simply show this index.html file which will be present in the same directory. So now right here, just create a simple index.html file. So this will be a simple HTML form which will be shown to the user. So now inside this HTML form, we will have the form tag, and the method will be post and encoding type multipart form data. So whenever we are working with files, we need to give this attribute encoding type multipart form data. And right here, we just need to have this input field. where the user will select the file, and we also need to give it a name parameter as well, which is file. And then we will have a simple button which will be useful for uploading the files. So we will simply button type submit. So now just execute this application. If you go to localhost 5000, you will see this form appearing. And at this moment of time, if you select a image file, click the upload button, you will get this error that this post request hasn't been defined. So what we need to do is we need to go to this HTML form and just add this attribute of action. Action attribute exactly tells the HTML form where to redirect whenever you click the upload button. So right here we will be redirecting the user to /upload. This will be the post request we need to make right in the backend server. So right here we'll simply make this post request /upload, and right inside this request we will be writing the code for uploading the file. So now for uploading the file, inside this, first of all we will check that if the user has selected some files or not. If they haven't, if either of these conditions evaluates to true, then we will simply return a error message of status 400, and we will just return an error message that no file uploaded. So right in this if condition we are checking that if the files are not defined, then in either of these cases we will say no file uploaded. But if the files have been selected by the user, then we will actually read the files. For reading the files we will simply say request files.file, and then we will actually provide the path where we need to upload these files. So we have created this directory which is the uploads directory. So here we are mentioning this directory and then the actual file name. So we can access the file name using file.name. So you can see that. So basically if you want to use this file.name, you need to include this middleware. So we already imported this library, you can see at the top. So now to pass it as a middleware, we use this line which is app.use, and here we pass the middleware which is file upload. So just it is mandatory that you pass this middleware to the Express application. So we pass this middleware like this app.use followed by the file upload middleware. So we are including this at the top and then passing it as a middleware. And now you can safely use these the file of the name. It will be accessible right here. After you do this, now it has a function which is file.move. It has all these functions. So it will move the file to this location upload path, and if any sort of error take place, we can simply return a error message of status 500 that an error occurred during upload. If no error take place, then we can simply return a simple notification message to the user response.send that your file uploaded successfully. So that's all the code which is required for this application. It's very easy to configure this module. First of all, you require this module by the required statement. Then you pass it as a middleware by using app.use file upload. And inside the post request, you simply use this move function, mv function, which actually moves your files directly to the path that you specify. So if I try to execute this application now, choose a file, click on the upload button, you will get this notification that your file is uploaded successfully, and you will see your file is appearing in the uploads directory. If I execute for the second time, let me select a second file here, click upload, you will see this second file will also appear. So in this easy way, you can use this package inside Node.js Express. It's a very good middleware library, Express file upload. The configuration process is quite simple. I've shown you step by step. And thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and also check out my website guys, freemediatools.com. which contains thousands of tools related to audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.